Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by locating the main sewer cleanout. This is the gateway to the municipal line. Once found, stop all indoor water use and unplug automatic appliances to prevent additional flow. Make sure toilets and drains aren't used. Check the cap and accessibility because you'll need clear access for inspection and later valve installation. While you're there, get a heavy plunger, a 3/4 sewer snake, flashlight, gloves, and a bucket. These let you confirm a blockage location before moving to the preventive hardware step. Open the cleanout slowly. If sewage appears, stop and contain. Safety first. Use a small inspection camera or run a 3/4 snake to feel for roots, grease, or a collapsed section because the prevention strategy depends on the cause. Measure pipe diameter and slope and note the distance to the municipal tie-in. These details determine the backwater valve model and location. Once you've confirmed condition and measurements, you'll be ready to choose and position the only reliable preventive device. The final, decisive step is installing a certified backwater valve on the main sewer branch inside the cleanout run. This is the only dependable defense against municipal surcharges that push sewage back. Cut and fit the valve per manufacturer flow markings, secure joints with approved fittings, and provide an accessible cleanout or access panel for servicing. Once installed, test with a controlled water run to confirm the flap seals completely. If you find rattling or leakage, turn off flow, verify orientation, and remove trapped debris before retesting.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.